The clock ticks relentlessly. Deadlines loom like storm clouds, threatening to drown your research in a sea of missed opportunities. You need high-quality testing to validate your findings, propel your work forward, but university labs are booked solid, and turnaround times feel like a distant dream. Enter Microlab, your oasis in the desert of testing delays. We offer fast, affordable, and reliable solutions that empower your research journey, making sure your groundbreaking work sees the light of day. Have you ever been trapped in the frustrating cycle of limited equipment and glacial turnaround times? We've all been there. Precious research time gets swallowed by the weight, and the pressure to publish on schedule mounts like a volcano about to erupt. But fear not, because Microlab is here to help. Microlab isn't just another testing lab, it's your research partner. We understand the unique challenges you face, and we're dedicated to providing solutions that accelerate your progress. Our state-of-the-art facilities house a vast array of testing capabilities, from SEM-EDX analysis to fatigue and fracture toughness testing, all conveniently located under one roof. No more scrambling for different labs or waiting months for results. At Microlab, you'll experience unmatched speed, forget about agonizing waits. We deliver SEM-EDX images within 3 days, a blistering pace that keeps your research on track. We even offer round-the-clock fatigue testing, ensuring your research never sleeps. Expert collaboration. Our team of seasoned test engineers doesn't just operate machines, they become your trusted advisors. Work directly with them to tailor your testing approach and ensure it perfectly aligns with your research goals. Comprehensive services. Whether you require SEM-EDX analysis, other metallurgical testing, corrosion studies, composite testing, building material tests, or a multitude of other solutions, Microlab has you covered. We offer a wide suite of services that cater to material types like metals, rubbers, plastics, composites, cement, concrete, and more. Don't let testing delays become the roadblock on your research journey. Partner with Microlab and experience the difference. Send us an email at cre@microlabtesting.com or visit our website at www.microlabtesting.com to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your research goals. Remember, at Microlab, we're not just testing your materials, we're meeting deadlines. Join us, and let's see what innovations we can unlock together.